Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn about the social action. Definitions of social action. According to Friedlander stated that social action is an individual, group or community effort within the framework of social work philosophy and practice that aims to achieve social progress, to modify social policies, and to improve social legislation and health and welfare services. According to Wickenden, applied the term social action to that aspect of organized social welfare actively directed towards shaping, modifying, or maintaining the social institution and policies that collectively constitute the social environment. Another definition of social action is a process of bringing about the desired changes by purposeful group and community initiatives. Social action does not end with the enactment and signing of social legislation. Rather, the implementation of policies was the true litmus test of social action's success or failure. This definition emphasizes the long term influence of social action as a measure of its success. As a result, we may say that social action is a style of social work practice that tries to bring about structural changes in the social and economic system primarily through social legislation and changes in social policy. The target population is disadvantaged and mass mobilization is critical. Nevertheless, the target group may or may not actively participate in the proposed intervention. It is a deliberate and organized endeavor with specific strategies and technique to attain the aims of equality, social justice, and empowerment. Social action is an auxiliary method of social work. Out of 6 methods, it is one of the important to all. It is a method where working with people, it remains a debatable issue among the social work profession. It is an organized effort to change or improve both social and economic condition of society. Some problems are like dowry system, poor housing, alcoholism, health, education, including various social issues related to the child, woman, adolescent, etc. It is taken as a transformational practice to meet the objectives of promoting well-being to bring change in the social system. Objectives of social action: to bring improvement in mass condition and problems, to participate in decision making, to create a redistribution of power and resources, to bring prevention of needs, to influence policies, practice, and institution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.